Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z and color names. So let's start. Black color, red color, white color, grey color, blue color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, dark green color, peace pink color, purple color, brown color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Light green color. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color. B. B for banana. B for banana. Pink color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Sky blue color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Blue color. E. E for egg. E for egg. Light green color. F. F for fire. F for fire. Yellow color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Pink color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Sky blue color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Blue color. J. J for jam. J for jam. Light green color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Pink color. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Sky blue color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Blue color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Light green color. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Yellow color. Q. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Pink color. R. R for Rainbow. R for Rainbow. Sky blue color. S. S for Strawberry. S for Strawberry. Blue color. T. T for Train. T for Train. Light green color. U. U for Unicorn. U for Unicorn. Yellow color. V. V for Fan. V for Fan. Pink color. W. W for Watermelon. W for Watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Blue color. Y. Y for yellow color. Y for yellow color. Light green color. Z. Z for Zoo. Z for Zoo. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.